Calvin Solin Math. Let us look at this nice question. Solve for x if the determinant of the matrix x minus 2, 2, 2, negative 1, x, negative 2, 2, 0, 4 is equal to 0. So for this, the determinant to be 0, it means we're dealing with a singular matrix. So let us try and obtain the determinant of this matrix and equate it to 0. So let us do that. So to get the determinant, we're going to take just the terms in the first row. So we're going to have x minus 2. Then we take the small matrix that is left when we cover the row and the column of that particular element. So we're left with x minus 2, 0, 4. So we're left with x minus 2, 0, and 4. Then we're going to subtract the next element, that is 2, and then we multiply that by the determinant of the small matrix that is left when we cover the row and the column of 2. So that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, and we have 2, 4. 2, 4. Then we add the next one, which is 2, multiplied by the small matrix that is left when we cover the row and the column of that 2. So that is negative 1 and x, negative 1 and x, and then we have 2 and 0, 2 and 0, and that is what equals to 0. Let us simplify this. So for the first instance, we're going to have x minus 2 times this small determinant. So these are 2 by 2. We just take the difference of the product of the main diagonal and that of the other diagonal. So we take x times 4, which is just 4x, minus negative 2 times 0, which is just 0. Then the next we have minus 2 into negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4, minus negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. So we have plus 4 there, plus 2 into negative 1 times 0, which is 0, minus 2 times x, which is 2x, and that's equal to 0. So let us simplify this further. So when we simplify this, we're going to have, this is just 4x. So 4x multiplies this. So 4x times x is 4x squared, minus 4x times 2, which is just 8x. Then the next one is minus 2 multiplying what is in the bracket. And what is in the bracket is just 0 because we have negative 4 plus 4, that is 0. So we have 2 times 0, which is just 0. Then we add the next one, which is 2 times negative 2x. That is minus 4x, and that's equal to 0. So we can clean this so that we have 4x squared minus 8x minus 4x is equal to 0. So we can simplify this further because we have like terms here, so that we have 4x squared minus 8x minus 4x, that is minus 12x, is equal to 0. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to factorize. The common factor between these two is 4x. So you're just going to have 4x into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So for these two numbers, for the product of these two numbers to be equal to 0, it means either one of them is 0. So we take them in turns. We say, what if 4x is the one that is equal to 0? It means that x will be 0. We can also take that x minus 3 is the one that is 0. So x minus 3 is 0, so that x is equal to 3. So the value of x is either 0 or negative 3. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.